Welcome to the post-match presentation of Rosemark NMPL Season 4, proudly presented by Mazgaon Cricket Club. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to the NMPL committee for the remarkable hosting of this spectacular Season 4 of Rosemark NMPL, an outstanding tournament organized by Mazgaon Cricket Club and approved by Mumbai Cricket Association. Time to thank all our sponsors, title sponsor Rosemark Limited, official streaming platform Waves ODT and DD Sports, associate and team sponsors Vashi Warriors, Monarch Net Worth Capital Limited, Thane Tigers, Sukra Pharmaceuticals, Belapur Blasters, Jojo Limited, Amarnath Avengers, Emirates Holding Group, Copper Kenne Titans, Sarvamangal Equity Assets Management Private Limited, Sanpara Scorpions, Srimad Bhagwat Assets Management LLP, Mirabai and the Lions, Move Moda, Oroma Ventures Private Limited, and Kalyan Tusker Zest on point always. It was a low-scoring affair, but it was a good game between both the sides. And in the end, Sarva Copper Kenne Titans won this game by 4 wickets. Well done, Titans. Now it is time to introduce our post-match presentation party. Starting from my left, we have got Mr. Prasad Desai, the Commissioner of NMPL. Then to his left, we have got Mr. Bunty Kambli, the match referee of this game. Then we have got Mr. Brijesh Solkar, the selector of NMPL. First, can we have Yash, the captain of Scorpions? Yash, wicket wasn't that easy to bat on. Somewhere if your batters would have applied, if you would have got to 120, things would have been different over here.
Yes, definitely. We are still 30-40 runs, 30-40 runs short, but the way we are playing in the first 6 match and the 7th match was really disappointing from the batting side. If we score 150, 160, the story will be different.
Yeah, when you were bowled out for 69, what you and your coaches said to you that you need to take this game as far as possible, and somewhere you would be happy the way your team has ended up taking the game beyond 11, 12 overs.
Yes, definitely. After batting, the way we are bowling, it's exceptionally well, but we are just trying to restrict them in under 70 runs, so yes.
Tough luck, but all the best for your future games.
Thank you.
Time to call upon the winning captain, Jai Bishta. Jai, the bowlers were impressive today.
Oh yeah, they were like bundling them out for about 70 runs. That's a great effort.
But do you think somewhere the batters could have been applied more better?
But to be honest, the pitch was challenging today and we were trying to get the run as quickly as possible because we have to keep in mind the run rate. It's the last game of the league stage and I know most of the teams are going to end up at the same point. So run rate is going to be a factor. So we were trying to do that.
Yeah, well done, boy. And you were proud of your boys.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well done, Jai, and your team has done well. Time to call upon the Player of the Match award. There was Himanshu bowled 3 overs, 1 maiden, 3 runs, 2 wickets. But it is to the man who did a wonderful job with the bat and the ball and took a couple of catches. Weber Bhardwaj for a couple of catches, 2 wickets. He's the Player of the Match. First, he will receive the trophy from Prasad sir. Then nutrition. That is from Sculptor Nutrition, you will receive from Kamli sir over here. Then Zixer Strong Sunscreen from Brijesh sir over here. Weber, couple of days back your captain said that one bowler is getting unnoticed and he said in the presentation, and today you are over here, the player of the match.
Yeah, it feels very good to, get the man of the match. But I was just trying to bowl to the plans given by him only.
Would be quite happy the way you did the job with the ball.
Yeah.
Well, then all the best for your future game. So that is all from this post-match presentation. See you in the evening.